All right, Jeremy here from Blitz & Sons. Thanks for joining today. Just another quick tech tip. We quite often get no heat calls during the winter time. Sometimes most people will have a gas furnace that only heats once in a while, or it seems like it doesn't keep up. Just so you know, most modern furnaces, they have a circuit board. If you look down here, there's a sight glass. Okay. Inside that sight glass, there'll be blinking lights. A lot of times, a heartbeat style blink is completely normal. If you see a red blink, that seems to be blinking a code. So, for example, 1, 2, and then a space. 1, 2, and then a space. That's a diagnostic code. So whenever you don't have any heat, you can always look down through that sight glass first and see if it's blinking a code. One common situation we run across is the flame sensor. It gets dirty. It's supposed to be cleaned every year during a precision tune-up. And we do offer that, and we do provide that service during our precision tune-ups. So just a quick method on how to clean that flame sensor. You're going to want to turn the furnace off. Make sure that you turn it off at the electrical switch or the breaker box. We're going to take the doors off of our furnace. Now, if you're not comfortable or mechanically inclined working on equipment or machinery, then you probably don't want to do this. And if that's the case, you can go ahead and call a certified technician to have a look at it. Now, it's a big argument in the HVAC community how to properly clean a flame sensor. On the residential furnaces that we come out every single year and do tune-ups on, it may not be as critical as a commercial rooftop unit that you have to have a 40-foot ladder to get to the roof to clean the sensor. But either way, I like to keep it simple. I have my trusty flame sensor cleaning tool. And whoever invented this, by the way, has to be a millionaire, because all this is just a cleaning tool with some wire brushes inside. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the flame sensor. So you can see here the flame sensor is getting a coating on it. Just going to go ahead and clean it with my tool. Now, the idea is we don't want to scratch up the flame sensor. As far as what to use to clean the flame sensor, to me it just isn't worth the argument. As long as it's clean, you wipe it off when you put it back in and it's installed correctly, you'll be good to go. So that's our quick tip on how to clean the flame sensor. Until next time, thanks.